Today we are opening up the Eggishorn Bamboo Mattress Protector. I just received this on my blog for review. I'm going to be probably putting this on my son's bed. It does come in a variety of sizes. It comes with a 10-year warranty. Ooh, it feels very soft. And I can feel that it's going to protect against any water spills. You can just kind of tell with the material. Actually, it feels very luxurious. This is a really good priced mattress protector. If you've done any kind of research on mattress protectors, you know that they're pretty pricey. So I do like the price point for this. I'll have the pricing in the blog post. So yeah, this is a very soft, nice material. It's stretchy. It protects against dust mites, which we all of us have. Let's look at the underside. See, now you can really tell that this plastic-like material, this is made out of bamboo, that this plastic-like material will protect against any kind of fluid spills. So like for my son, our dog likes to sleep on his bed, and you know how dogs can drink water and come spill the water everywhere, or even worse, you know how dogs are. But if you have kids, you're gonna wanna protect your mattress for that reason as well. So this is nice. It makes it so that it's a nice, secure, snug fit on your mattress. I know all mattresses, depending on how deep the mattress is, it can be difficult to secure a mattress pad, but this is a really wide, or deep rather, base, and then you can secure it with this drawstring to make it nice and secure on the bed, so it's not going to be sliding around. I know the last mattress pad protector my son had would just slip off of the bed, and then it'd be bunched up under his sheets, and it was super annoying. So I'm really excited to have something that is going to be secure all the way around his mattress. So again, this is the Eggishorn Bamboo Mattress Protector. Protects against bacteria, dust mites, fluids. A must-have for any bed, absolutely every bed. Also protects against allergens. If you're worried about that, I know, like I said, we have dogs, and they do like to jump up on the bed with all that dog fur. So it's awesome that it will protect those allergens from getting into your mattress. Machine washable. It says it's a breathable membrane, so we'll test that out and see if it does keep you warm. Too warm, I don't think it will. And it also says it protects against bed bugs. So that's awesome. We're going to protect the mattress. That's the number one. Mattresses are so expensive, so we don't want anything getting into the mattress that's going to harm it, obviously. So anyway, you can learn more about this on AkronOhioMoms.com. I will have photos and links to where to buy. Thanks.